For this one, I'm in Torreta, which is a suburb of Torrevieja. Property details for this one, reference number is on the screen, price is 424,000. It does include the pool, the solarium, which were extras, electric window shutters, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, all the lighting, and Casas, Espania will give you the air conditioning units as a gift for this individual property. So the upstairs bedrooms, this one, fitted wardrobes, including drawers. And there's quite a bit of storage space in here and an ensuite bathroom. Crystal stainless steel throughout. This is the second bedroom, again, fitted wardrobes. And ensuite bathroom. Double glazing fitted throughout, as are electric motorised shutters. Picture this, you want the Mediterranean lifestyle. We understand that. You want the sunshine, 320 days a year of sun in this area. You're looking for somewhere ready to go now. This is key ready, and from here you got views of this. In the distance there, you have the Rosa Laguna, the pink salt lake of Torrevieja. This property is nestled close to the pink one, but we're not far from the nature reserve, which is on the other side towards La Mata. Location-wise, 10 minutes from the beach. What more could you want? Well, how about this comes with many extras and it's key ready. Price, 424,000, and for that, you get 3 bedrooms, fitted kitchen, white goods, pool included, lighting included, and even better, Casas Espania will include the air conditioning. What more do you need? Bring your Casas.